MMPH 7 Compensation and Rewards Management covers compensation strategy, job evaluation, wage determination, incentive plans, benefits, as well as legal aspects of compensation and rewards management. This course is part of the third semester. It is relevant for students pursuing the human resource management specialization. It has 13 units that are divided into 4 blocks, but again, not all parts of the syllabus carry the same weight in the exam. In this video, I will be walking you through the most important units and sections of MMPH 7 so that you can focus your efforts where they matter the most. We will start with the most important units first and also the sections of those units from where the maximum concentration of previous question papers have had questions from, followed by the medium and the low priority ones. So going ahead and looking at the high priority units, these are units 1, 2, and 10. These are the 3 most important units of MMPH 7. From unit 1, mostly questions have come up from 1.2, 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6. So these are the frequently asked sections. From unit 2, it is 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, and 2.5. Similarly, from unit 10, it is 10.4, 10.5, and 10.6. So if you are not able to study all sections of these units, which is what I strongly recommend, at least go through these sections. Now moving forward to the medium importance sections, units. These are unit 4, 6, 7, and 8. From unit 4, the frequently asked sections are 4.2, 4.4, 4.5. From unit 6, these are actually, all sections are important from Unit 6. All sections carry equal weightage. I cannot tell you to skip anything. From Unit 7, though, I can tell you mostly questions get asked from 7.2 and 7.3. Similarly, also just like Unit 6, Unit 8 also, all sections are important. All sections are equally important, I must say. Now let us move on to the low priority units. Basically, it is all the units that I have not covered yet. So that includes Unit 3, Unit 9, and Unit 11. Right. So from Unit 3, the most important sections, the frequently asked sections are 3.2 and 3.3. Okay, 3.2 and 3.3. From Unit 9, it has been 9.4, and from Unit 11, it has been 11.3 and 11.5. Now you can see there are 13 units in total. Few units are missing over here. So along with that, even a few sections are also, not all sections are mentioned. So any unit or section that is not covered is because they have not yet been part of any term and examination question paper yet. So my suggestion is read through those other which units or sections I have not covered. Read through those depending on how much time you have got after you are thorough with the priority topics that you see on the screen. This is so that you can ensure to attempt to write any answer in case something comes up from these not yet asked units or sections. All right. Now, before we wrap up, a few quick tips on writing answers to help you score. My general rule of thumb is per 5 marks, I write 1 page. So 20 marks means it is 4 pages for me. Yeah, and if you are going by the word count, then according to me, to get 20 marks, you need to write around 500 to 600 words. That is according to me, not something IGNOU has said. So you can take it or leave it. Also, while I write answers for essay questions, make sure you start with an introduction. Then you move on to the main content and finally wind up with a conclusion. Also, the main content, try to divide it into as many sections as possible. Okay, include examples even if your question doesn't ask for example, and if possible, illustrate key points using a diagram or summarize using table. Bare minimum, divide it into different sections and use bullet points. Okay, bare minimum. And also, since questions have repeated across term and examinations, look at as many past year question papers as you can, because you might get lucky and a question or two might repeat itself in the upcoming term and examination as well. Now the exact format, whether there will be case study, no case study, those kind of things and all, I am not the right person to comment on it, but don't let that bother you even if you are not confident about those kind of things. Focus on the essay type questions, because if you can answer them properly, you will pass with good grades. The reason why I'm saying about don't fret about the format of the question paper is There have been cases where IGNOU drastically changed the format of the question paper compared to past question papers. Okay, sometimes previously or till then there have never been case studies, but for our term and examination there is a case study. Or till now all question papers had case study, but we did not have case study. Such kind of changes in format IGNOU has brought in from time to time. So don't worry about the format. Focus on essay questions. Focus on how you can answer essay questions properly. Go through the priority topics. That way, definitely, no matter what format is going to be, you will pass. Okay, because you will know how to write. You will know something to write. Right. So worry about what you can control and forget about what you cannot control. This is it for the focus breakdown of MMPH 7. If you found this helpful, then be sure to like and share this video with people you think might benefit from this. Also, subscribe to Anu's Classroom and enable notifications to never miss an update on the newer videos. If you want a downloadable version of the most important units for MMPH 7 that we discussed, you can scan the QR code that you can see on the screen. Happy learning and good luck with your exams.